Deva?
Yesterday holiday, I am visit zoo Surabaya Zoo in my family.
How about you, Rani?
In the holiday yesterday, I visited to my grandmother home in Nganjuk. I met a grandmother, grandparents, and my big family. I am very happy because I miss them.
How about you, Vira?
I always enjoy in home.
Really?
Yes, really.
Are you happy in your home?
No, I'm not happy.
Why?
May I tell you a story about my holiday yesterday?
Yes.
Of course. Holiday yesterday, I'm very happy because I meet with my boyfriend, guys.